Continuing further, let's come to the next topic where you have to draw an angle equal to the given angle. Here already two angles are given to you. You have to draw an angle which is equal to angle DEF and another angle which is equal to angle XYZ. Okay, so the one method is using a protractor. Keep it, measure it, same angle you can draw on the other side. Using some other labeling, you can draw another angle which is equal to DEF. But if you don't have to use a protractor, you are not going to use a protractor. The instruments that I am giving you is your compass and your scale. Using this, how will you draw an angle which is equal to DEF and another angle which is equal to XYZ? Let's see. First, with the help of a scale and a pencil, draw a ray. This is my point A. This is my point B. Okay? I get a ray AB. Now using a compass, again I have to take little distance, a convenient distance, not too much, not too less. Keep it at the vertex E and draw on an arc which will touch both the arms of the angle. Okay, here like this. Keep it at E and draw an arc which touches both the arms of angle DEF, arm ED and arm EF. Now don't change this measure. Keep this measure what you used here, same measure. Now keep the pointed end at A and draw an arc which will touch AB and extend little further. See here. Okay, now we get two new points. We get two new points here. Let's name them as M and N. Now in the compass, I take distance equal to MN. Keep it at M. Extend it further so that it can reach N. Okay. Now don't change this distance. Here on AB also we got a new point. Here let's name it as D. I got a new point here. Keep it at D and cut your previous arc. Keeping it at D, cut your previous arc. How much was this distance? Distance was equal to MN. Keeping it at the new point D, you cut the previous arc, you get a point of intersection here. This one. Okay, let's name it as point F. Join it with A. You get angle FAB. If you want, you can consider one more point over here. Let me consider point O. Point O I have taken on ray AF. So name of my angle now becomes OAB. Angle OAB is equal to angle DEF. Angle OAB is equal to angle DEF. Look, they are equal. And that I did without using a protractor. You have to use scale and compass.